All aboard!
Even if it's not easy to tell, we caught a rainy day in Sicily. We are in Vittoria, in the southern part of the island. Giuseppe called Joe and his wife Angela are waiting for us. What a strange name for a Sicilian, Joe. Giuseppe. Here, this is the house.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And apologize.
Hey, but what is John Fitzgerald Kennedy doing on a Sicilian jar? He was a great man. There are pictures hanging from the entrance wall that do not seem to have been taken in Sicily. America. I miss it so much, you know. You see that Cadillac? I made it come purposely from America when I got married here in Vittoria. What a curious guy this Giuseppe called Joe is. Come, follow me. I'll show you a few things. This is the American Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence of America in a Sicilian house? There's even a Sicilian opera puppet next to it.
I miss America a lot because I wasn't raised over there. I was 13 years old when I left. I have the passport. I'm going to show it to you. And well, I went over there with 13 years old. When I was 14, 16 years old, I got a job. At 17, I got my driver license. I got my driver license and I got a job. I used to be a presser.
Photos and documents hanging everywhere. All memories of a lifetime.
This is Las Vegas, when I went to Las Vegas. And this is the Ellis Island, you know, where
Yes.
the people come with Italy and they have to go like the custom house.
We are in the attic, in Joe's Giuseppe Museum, in American Sicily, or if you prefer, a Sicilian in Sicily. Mamma mia, he kept everything, even eyeglasses.
This is what when I first arrived to America, I went to school, see? Here I am, here, see?
Great.
Now, this is when I got a job in school. And to have a job, you need a license, a boiler license. You know the boiler that makes the hot water?
Sure.
State of New Jersey, boiler operator license.
And since a Sicilian is always a Sicilian, in America, instead of growing the lawn and flowers in the garden, they grow vegetables.
Tomatoes, big tomatoes, and cucumbers,
Yeah.
the long one.
Sweet Giuseppe, you remain Joe.
I love America, can't forget.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Speak in English perché così
Oh, this is when I was in America. I think I was 19 years old. I went to the photographer, and now my wife. This is a long story. My father came to Italy. He brought this picture to Italy, and he showed to his cousin. His cousin said, he says, my father, well, I would like my son, if he get married with an Italian woman. Oh, he says, I got it. My niece.
But I know him.
Yeah, I got my niece. I could show you. I could take you over there. So my father went in this house, and he met the family. So she was over there.
This is you.
Yeah, 90 years old. 1990.
And this
1961.
That's the one.
Let's go into the next room. There are American flags of all sizes in every corner of the house. This then, Sicilian citrus, an American flag. Joe Giuseppe takes me to another room. Now, I'm his favorite victim. And he shows me a beautiful picture of their wedding in 1961.
Scolletto.
Right in front of us, among the inevitable American flags, there is a pianola. Don't tell me that. Now we are in a little courtyard. I see a lemon tree, and there is also a thread to hang the clothes. No dryers here. We are Sicilians. Strange. There doesn't seem to be a trace of America out here. Old Joe, you fooled me. Come on. Mama Angela is calling us. It's time to eat. The kitchen is great, and Joe went ahead to put American memories left and right. To help the couple, there's Josie, their daughter.
I came back here just for my mother because I was worried that she was going to pass away in America. And I don't like that. I want to go back to Italy. I was thinking to bury her in the cemetery over here, Victoria.
The pasta is finally ready. Anchovies, crumbs, tomato paste, and Sicilian wild fennel. Yummy! Delicious, Angela. Although maybe Joe would have preferred a nice hamburger. I'm just kidding. Pasta is always the pasta for a Sicilian. Now at the table, it's Angela that tells me about her America. She also worked in a Sicilian pastry shop, and she's moved by the memory of a friend who is no longer there.
I americani sono pazzi perché alle 5 si chiudeva alle 10.
Quanti siciliani incontravate? Tanti.
It's time to go, unfortunately. This is my other daughter, Giovanna, when we were in America. She used to work right in front of the Twin Towers, and every day she took the subway and passed right under the site of the disaster. Joe, Giuseppe, and Angela pose under their young portraits and the inevitable American flag. It was a wonderful day with two wonderful Sicilians. Thanks, Angela. Thanks, old Joe.